Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is a 3 high-quality done-for-you video lead magnets with PLR rights. And what it is 3 sets of video trainings that you're going to give away to your customers. And so that's nice. You've got some really good things to give away to them to build your list and all that. But the part that's going to really, first off, it's $27 for 3 full video trainings. And the second part that you're going to really like is each one of them shows you how to do something and then shows you an affiliate product that can do it easier. And you make affiliate products, affiliate sales if they grab that. So I'm just going to look in right here and show you what I'm talking about. So look at this. You can see the 3 different ones: sales funnel, email marketing, ways to make money online. Each of these 3 are available. It's got the squeeze pages and the video watch pages and all that, but it promotes a video or an affiliate product at the end of it all. And so it is completely all done for you with PLR rights, $27. 3 complete funnels. They're going to build your list and promote the hottest affiliate products at the same time. I'm going to show you or get you to click the link in the video description. Oh, let's not leave you looking at words like that. Here we go. So video lead magnet 1, top email marketing mistakes to avoid. It's all about, look at this, a 15-minute video. So it's not just a quick little 30-second jobby telling you stuff. It's a 15-minute training session and the funnel, and then promotes one of the best email marketing courses. So you can make money from this. Lead magnet 2, 3 keys to a successful sales funnel. And again, 17-minute video. And of course, going to show them how to fast track everything by going into a funnel kind of thing that pays out up to $604 per sale. And the follow-up emails you'll be provided with can nearly double that total. This is one of the highest paying funnels you'll ever come across. Nice. Lead magnet 3, again, this is a $27 product with 3 lead magnets. You're going to give them away, get people on your list and send them, and they're going to watch the video. This is high ticket commission funnel. Promotes a high ticket offer that will pay you $3,136.50 per sale. It's $27. I'm going to stop right there. The link's in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. It's called Video Lead Magnets with PLR from Mike Stoop, well-known internet marketer. Premium PLR videos, 3 video trainings that lead into people buying affiliate products. And super high ticket kind of things. The last one there was about $3,600. So check it out. It's $27 for 3 videos. You're going to love this. Links in the video description. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.